With over $540 million in funding, supporting 102 countries, and serving over 30 million customers, Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies companies around. However, in this review, bigger is always better. I'm Drew Greil, and we're talking about Coinbase in our 2-minute review. Founded in 2012, Coinbase is a fully regulated, licensed Bitcoin exchange, even insured FDIC. Coinbase offers several services, and this review will focus on its most important popular service, Coinbase.com, which allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, as well as over 20 other cryptocurrencies. Our team at Passive Profits considers Coinbase's buying process to be one of the easiest and fastest available. Coinbase supports several payment methods, including wire transfer, debit card, and credit card. Coinbase's fee structure consists of a 0.5% premium over the market, plus a transaction fee relative to the amount transacted. Overall, we found that Coinbase offers a competitive fee structure when compared to similar alternatives. All digital currency held online by Coinbase is insured. This, however, does not cover any losses resulting from the compromise of individual Coinbase accounts. Moreover, if you are a United States resident, your Coinbase USD wallet is covered by the FDIC, up to a maximum of $250,000, a benefit you won't find in most any other online services. It's important to know that Coinbase.com is a custodial service, meaning you don't have any direct access to the funds stored at Coinbase or the private keys controlling them. In some extreme cases, Coinbase can and has frozen users' accounts without prior notice. Another thing worth mentioning is that Coinbase's customer support is known for its slow response time to conclude. Coinbase is simple and easy to use. Don't forget that. On the downside, you are not in control of your coins. Your transactions are being tracked. This gives it a 4 out of 5 from us here at Passive Profits, as we consider it as an easy and reliable place for buying Bitcoins. This is not without its limitations. Have you used any of Coinbase's services? If not, then the link down below will earn you $10 of Bitcoin with your first $100 invested in the Coinbase app. This is today's 2-minute crypto review of Coinbase. For our in-depth reviews, visit the link in the description and I'll see you in a bit. And if you've enjoyed this review or this video, leave us a thumbs up. It helps out with the algorithm. And make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more awesome reviews.